Where do your tax dollars go? Where I live, your tax dollars go towards monster trucks with a giant bumper that can fight crime, crush crime, destroy crime with that giant bumper, rolling on 35-inch wheels that can destroy crime and crush it before it even starts. Yes, sir. So in my town, when you get pulled over and the cops say, "Do you know why I pulled you over, sir?" You can say, is it because you want to buy more monster trucks? And they will say, "Hell yeah, bro. Here's your $400 ticket. Thank you for contributing to the cause." And in that metal box in the back, you've got Uzis, rocket launchers, pistols, shotguns, flamethrowers, hand grenades, and everything else you need to keep the peace in our small town. And along the rockers there, you can see a couple of loops where you can handcuff people to and drag a confession out of them to maintain justice and keep law and order in your town. Much better than the puny little pathetic lifeguard truck. I laugh at you lifeguards with your little surfboard. The police monster truck could crush you.